I think one of the most debated questions, especially with your clients, that you must be having, especially when you're from an Indian context, is where do I keep my puja mandir or where do I keep my puja room? The reason why I'm going to address it today is because there have been a lot of misconceptions, a lot of understandings, and a lot of misinterpretations of which is the best or ideal zone to keep your temple area or prayer area as per Vastu. But there are not one or two, but couple of them, and there are multiple reasons as to how these are based out of. Firstly, even though we do know that the northeast zone is one of the best suited zones for having your puja room because it is also known as the Ishanya Kona, there are other zones such as the north northeast, east southeast, and west zones that are equally important and equally well suited for having a puja room designed there. But saying that, let me tell you the ideology that runs behind this. Now, as per Vastu, there is no one particular zone that you actually have, or there's no specific actual zone entitled to have a puja room, because there are multiple deities that we worship, and each of these deities have their own zones that are there for them to be worshipped. Right? So if you consider Lord Hanuman is considered to be grounding the south zone. So if you want to have a dedicated Hanuman Puja Mandir, you can have it in the south zone of your space. Okay, or if you want to have wish fulfilling while you want to pray, you can have it in the west zone of your space. And even when you consider your previous or ancient temples that you have, when you actually see their layout, most of the times the actual Garbhagriha lies in the west while the entrance falls towards the east of the space. So there are many places where all of these are there, and there are multiple places where the deities are placed, and most of the time they're aligned on the north-south axis also. So keeping all of these in mind, the four best places that I would identify for you to be able to keep your puja mandirs or suggest it to your clients are four areas. One, as usual, your northeast zone, because the northeast attribute is associated to mind and clarity. So having a puja mandir here would also not only just help you sit there and declutter your mind and help in bringing positive energies, but also bring a sense of clarity of mind and thought. The second one would be your north-northeast and your east-northeast zone. Well, north-northeast needs, when north-northeast and east-northeast govern your fun and recreation and your health and immunity, cleansing aura would be happening here, making it a more light-hearted space. So these two zones can also be considered for having your puja space. Apart from these three, your west zone, like I said, can be considered for having your puja room, because your west is known for your profits and your gains, and also known to be a wish fulfilling center, as this is related to the Lord Shani. West is basically dealt with Lord Shani, and Shani is told to be the wish fulfiller for all the karma or the actual work that you have given in. So hence these can be considered, like I said, for having your placements on a general road irrespective of which deity you have. But if you want to go specific, different deities, different goddesses and their different inclinations for the zones can be considered, and puja rooms can be designed according to those.